Hello everyone, it's Samip. Today I'm cleaning mass airflow sensor for 2005 Toyota 4Runner. It has over 250,000 miles. Never cleaned, so I bought this product. It says mass airflow sensor cleaner. Now let's see how it's going to look like after clean. For this one I have to take this hood out, one and the two screw millimeter, and just take it out and pull out. And this is the sensor. So disconnect the sensor first, very careful. And there's a two. Use the screwdriver very softly. And before you take it out, just clean around. I'm going to clean up. Disconnect after clean up because I don't want to get the dust to go to the connection side. So I want to clean before. Yeah, now a little bit clean. So there's a clip, just push it down and pull out. But just there you go, now it's disconnected. It's clean. And now there's a two screw, here one and the here one. Just take it out both. Look, it's very dirty. It's never been cleaned for 250,000 miles. I think more than that, 260, 70, something like that. Just don't drop this screw. Okay. For the first time, let's see. Look at this. It's supposed to be shiny metal. Wow. It's supposed to be shiny. A little bit shiny like this. Okay, let's clean up. The cleanup process is very easy. Just spray it. Let it soak a little bit and spray it. Just like that. Just do it like very carefully. So I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show you after I'm done. Look at the region. Now you can see the metal. Please make sure you are not using any brush or you are not touching this metal, the metal inside there. And you're gonna spray inside and clean really nice with the spray only. So now it's ready. Just put it back the way you take it out. Just align the two connected both sides. Back here. Complete tight. Now let's connect the power back, the electric power back. Click. There you go. Now put the hood back and you're good for another 50,000 miles, I guess. And the hood back. And you connect the two things. And tighten the tighten. There you go. Now it's ready to drive. Thank you everybody. This is just very simple process. It's a DIY purpose. So please do your own research for your own vehicle. Thank you.